Okay, good morning, class. Now we will continue with our geography chapter, India, our country. And as we all know, that we have finished the political divisions of India, where we talked about the various states and their capitals, along with the union territories. I gave you some work in that. I want each one of you to be making the following things. Firstly, on a new page, you will do the glossary. After that, you will please switch off your mic. After that, you will be doing the world map given on page 150, figure 7.1. After that, I told you to on 152, page 152, figure 7.2. There, I asked you to mark all the states along with the capitals on a political map of India. After that, the third thing that I gave you, fourth thing, first was glossary, second was world map, third was political divisions of India, and then fourth thing that you are supposed to do is figure 7.3, where you will be marking India and its neighboring countries. Clear? Now, coloring of these maps is not important. If at all you color, please see that you do not smudge the maps. Do with a pencil color and do it very lightly. It will give a nice effect. Okay? And while you are writing the states and their capitals, see that you first write with a pencil once you're sure that you are able to, then use a black gel pen to write it. I hope I'm clear. Before I begin further, the fifth and the most important thing now that you're supposed to do is you are supposed to write states and capitals. You will demarcate a page, you write all the states on one side along with their capitals on the other. Clear? Then you will write union territories. You'll write the names of all the 9 union territories from the Google. Okay, you'll Google search and you will write the names of the states and their capitals plus the union territories. Did you all get it? Did you all get it? You will do it in a chart form, in a table form, and you have to write the states on one side and their capitals on the other. Is it clear to each one? Any doubts about anything?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the
Yes.
9 union territories are given in the book only. Can we write from there?
Pardon? Pardon? Will you please repeat?
Ma'am,
I
the
could.
nine unit Ma'am, the 9 union territories are the given in the book only. Can we write from there only?
Sure, yes, yes. You have a revised edition. You can go ahead with that. No problem. Okay. Now, today we take up India physical divisions. Okay. Have you visited different regions of India during vacations? Did you observe the landforms of the different areas? They differ greatly, don't they? Now, before we read further, we all know we all have visited quite a few places in India. Now, if you observe, have you ever gone out of the state of Uttar Pradesh? Anyone has
Yes,
ever
ma'am.
been anyone has
Yes,
ever
ma'am.
been to Mumbai? Anyone?
No.
Okay, so can you tell me where Mumbai is, in which state? Very good,
Maharashtra.
very good. Have you ever been to Somnath Mandir or maybe say Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad? Have you visited such
Yes,
places?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So that
Ma'am,
means which
Jaipur.
state? Okay, Jaipur is in Rajasthan. That means you visited Rajasthan states, the largest state. And about
Yes, ma'am.
Ahmednagar, and I was asking, it is in Gujarat. Okay, so you all know, you all have visited number of places, and this tells us the difference in various states. How are they different? So let us now go into the details and see. Okay, India is a country with great physical contrast. It has diverse relief ranging from towering mountains to leveled plains, while ancient tableland covers peninsular India. Sandy desert lies in the northwest. A long coastline borders the south with islands in the east. Now, before I begin the explanation, I'll just show you what. I'll show you. Is the screen on sharing? Okay. So now they are telling you about various physical features. Now they tell you that India is full of varied physical features, and to see the
Okay.
physical features, we will just come on to this map. You may see the mountains here. Now the Himalayas and all mountain ranges are here. Okay, that means if you visit Jammu and Kashmir, you will be visiting the mountains, right? These are the northern plains, not just these. Can you see the plain area all in green? These are the flat plain lands. Now, these near the coast are called coastal lands, okay? They are the coastal plains. This is the coastal area. Can you see this? Can you see this? This is the mountain area, these brown mountain areas. In eastern India, can you see the Assam and Arunachal Pradesh side? All these are mountains, brown. Then these are flat plains. Then in this center area, this yellow colored area is the plateau region. Plateau region means a flat table land. Okay, it's a plateau region. And then here they even have a desert area in Rajasthan. Clear? So now they tell us that India has varied and many areas with different physical features in them. Okay? Is this much clear before we move on?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you see me? Can you
No,
all
ma'am.
see me?
No, ma'am.
Am I visible?
No, ma'am.
My God, कहाँ चली
Yes,
गई मैं?
ma'am. Yes, no, ma'am.
Oh gosh.
Yes, ma'am. You are visible. Your camera
I'm this,
is.
my camera is on, but I think it is inverted. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
now,
Now you are visible.
now I'm
Ma'am, you
visible.
are visible.
Okay, thank you. So, taking the various physical features, India could be divided on the basis of these varied landforms. The country has been broadly divided into 6 physical units or division. Okay, there are 6 divisions. Let's see them. Number one, the Great Himalayan Mountain Ranges, a mountain complex. Number two, Northern Plains. Number three, Peninsula in Plateau. Number four, Coastal Plains. Number five, the islands. And right there, number six, is it written in your books?
Yes, ma'am. The Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert.
The Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert. Okay, so these are the various 6 physical divisions. That means there are 6 type of landforms which are found in India. Clear? a certain portion, supposing this is India, the top will have has the mountain region. Then below the mountain regions, we have the plain area. This side, which is the Rajasthan side, we have a desert. In the center, India, we have the plateau. Near the coast, we have the coastal plains. And we have the islands, the Lakshadweep Islands and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Clear? Moving further, please switch off your mics. There's somebody who's continuously putting the mic on. I was not wanting to tell you, but let me tell you, Father is also there in this call. I had no intentions of telling this to you. Okay. Though there are various methods of division, some of the criteria also include Thar Desert, but the above mentioned is most acceptable. Let's discuss them in detail. Let us explore each division and identify them on the physical map of India as shown in figure 7.4. So now this is the fourth map. This is the sixth work which you will be doing, and that is the physical map of India. Clear? Now, children, this time map work will be coming to start preparing these maps. Okay? And maybe all the maps which will come from this chapter only. Clear? So, we stop here for today. We'll take the physical divisions in detail in our next class, or maybe when I'll be teaching uh, the other, maybe in your history class or something, we'll still continue with geography till we finish it. Okay? Is this much clear to each one of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank you, class.
Yes, ma'am.